Why training your neck transforms your entire body. Ever wondered why top athletes, fighters, and even fitness models train their necks, but most people completely ignore it? The truth is, your neck is the missing link between power, posture, and performance. Strengthen your neck, and suddenly everything changes. Your confidence, your balance, even your overall strength. Today, I'm going to show you why neck training is the secret weapon you've been missing, and how to start safely, even from home. The hidden power of neck training. Start with something most people never realize. Your neck isn't just a muscle that holds up your head. It's the command center for balance, stability, and movement. Think about it. Your head weighs about 10–12 pounds, and every time you look down at your phone, that weight increases up to 60 pounds of pressure on your spine. That constant strain weakens your posture, tightens your traps, and leads to back and shoulder pain. Now imagine reversing all of that with just a few minutes of neck training a week. When your neck is strong, your entire upper body realigns. Your shoulders sit back naturally, your chest opens, and your spine stays supported. You don't just look more confident, you feel it. The secret connection between neck and posture. Here is what most people don't get. Poor posture often starts at the top, not the bottom. When your neck muscles are weak, your head shifts forward. This tech neck posture throws off your spinal alignment, tightens your traps, and weakens your core. But once you start strengthening those deep neck flexors, boom, your posture improves automatically. Your chin tucks in, your spine straightens, and suddenly, even your lower back pain starts to fade. A strong neck also improves nerve function because your cervical spine houses key nerves that send signals to the rest of your body. So, training your neck doesn't just fix how you look. It literally improves how your body communicates with itself. Athletic performance and injury prevention. Ever wonder why boxers, MMA fighters, and football players all focus on neck training? It's simple. A strong neck absorbs impact and protects your brain. When your neck muscles are strong, your head doesn't whip violently during sudden movements or impacts. That means fewer concussions, less whiplash, and better control over your movements. But even if you're not an athlete, neck strength still matters. It improves your balance and coordination. Because the neck connects directly to your vestibular system, your body's balance center, training it can actually make you steadier on your feet, especially as you age. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to move like an athlete, even if you're not one? Aesthetics. The look of power. Here's something nobody tells you. Your neck changes how people see you. A thicker, more defined neck gives you that powerful, athletic appearance, the kind that screams confidence and strength. It balances your physique, especially if you've been training your chest, shoulders, and arms. Without a strong neck, your body looks incomplete, like a powerful car with a weak frame. Even studies show that people subconsciously associate a strong neck and jawline with dominance and health. It's not vanity, it's biology. The mind-body connection. Let's talk about something deeper, the mental benefits. When you train your neck, you are not just building muscle. You're sending a signal to your brain. I am in control. You stand taller, breathe better, and feel more grounded. Many people report improved focus and reduced tension headaches after just a few weeks of consistent neck training. That because those muscles help stabilize blood flow to the brain and release the constant tension we hold from stress. So, yes, training your neck literally makes you think clearer and feel calmer. How to start neck training safely. Now, let's talk about how to actually train your neck safely. You don't need fancy machines or weights. You can start with just your body weight. Here are 3 simple moves. Neck flexion. Lie on your back, tuck your chin slightly, and slowly lift your head an inch off the ground. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10–15 times. Neck extension. Lie face down. Lift your head slightly off the floor while keeping your chin tucked. Again, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Lateral flexion. Sit tall and gently tilt your head side to side, ear toward shoulder. You can add light resistance with your hand as you get stronger. Do these 2 to 3 times per week, focusing on control, not speed. Within weeks, you'll notice a difference. Better posture, stronger traps, and less tension. The transformation. Here is the truth. Training your neck is one of those things that separates beginners from serious lifters. You can hit chest, arms, and abs all day. But if your neck is weak, your foundation is incomplete. Once you start, your entire body works better together. You'll move smoother, lift heavier, and even breathe easier. It's like unlocking a hidden power switch in your body that was off this whole time. So, if you've been skipping neck day, stop. Start small. Stay consistent, and watch how your entire body transforms, from your posture to your confidence. Remember, real strength isn't just about muscles. It's about balance, control, and alignment. Train your neck, and you'll unlock strength you didn't even know you had. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed fitness breakdowns, and start building that complete, powerful physique today.